In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft OneNote is not responding, starting, or opening on Windows 11. If you've been having trouble launching OneNote or noticed that it freezes or becomes unresponsive, this method will help you resolve the issue by repairing your Microsoft 365 installation directly from Windows. To begin, go to your Windows 11 desktop and click on the Start button. In the search bar, type Installed Apps and press Enter. This will take you straight to the Apps section within your system settings. If you already have the Settings window open, you can still navigate here, but using the search function is usually the fastest way. Once you're on the Installed Apps page, look for the search field near the top of the window and type Microsoft 365. After a moment, you should see Microsoft 365 apps appear in the list. When you find it, move to the right side of the entry and click on the three-dot menu, which opens additional options. From there, select Modify. If a permission prompt appears asking you to allow changes to your device, go ahead and click Yes so the repair process can continue. You will then be presented with two repair options. The first is Quick Repair, which is designed to fix common issues quickly and does not require an internet connection. This is usually the best place to start, especially if OneNote suddenly stopped working or failed to open. The second option is Online Repair. This method is more thorough and essentially refreshes the entire Microsoft 365 installation. It takes more time and requires a stable internet connection, but it can resolve deeper or more persistent issues. If Quick Repair doesn't solve the problem, you can return and run Online Repair afterward. After selecting the option that fits your situation, click Repair and confirm again if prompted. The repair process will begin, and you may notice a progress bar moving or pausing occasionally, which is completely normal. During this time, keep your computer on and avoid interrupting the process. You might also see some Microsoft 365 windows briefly open and close as the system completes the repair. Once the process is finished, click Done. Now try opening OneNote again the way you normally would. In most cases, it should launch properly and respond without freezing. If you used Online Repair, you may be asked to sign back into your Microsoft 365 apps, which is expected. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.